In this video, we will explore the who and w commands in Linux. These commands are essential for monitoring users logged into the system and their activities. We will explain how to use these commands to display logged-in users and their activities. The who command displays information about users who are currently logged into the system. It shows user names, terminal connections, login times, and remote host names or Internet Protocol addresses. Here's an example. Typing who in the terminal produces an output showing the logged-in user John on TTY1, Alice on PTS/0, from Internet Protocol address 192.168.25, and Bob on PTS/1 from remote-p.local. Let's explore some common options for the who command. The A option displays all available information about logged-in users. The B option shows the time of the last system boot. The H option displays column headings above the output. The Q option shows only usernames and the total number of users logged in. For example, who -a shows detailed information including system boot time and user activity. Who -b displays only the system boot time. Who -h adds column headers to the standard output. Who -q provides a quick list of logged-in users and their total count. Now let's look at more options for the who command. The R option displays the current run level of the system. The U option shows how long each user has been idle. The lookup option attempts to canonicalize host names via domain name system. The whoami command shows the effective username of the current user. Finally, the whoami command shows information about the current user's login session. Note that a dot indicates activity within the last minute. The w command shows who is logged in and what they are doing. It extends the information provided by the who command. It includes system uptime and load averages, the user's current process also known as what, central processing unit time used by the current process, and idle time for each user. For example, executing the w command provides a detailed output including user details, terminal, remote host, login time, idle time, central processing unit usage, and current process. Let's understand the output fields of the w command. User is the login name of the user. For example, John. TTY is the terminal name the user is logged in on, like PTS/0, which means pseudo-terminal, or TTY1 for console. From is the host name or Internet Protocol address of the remote host. Login at is the time when the user logged in. Idle is how long the user has been idle. JCPU is the central processing unit time used by all processes attached to the TTY. PCPU is the central processing unit time used by the current process shown in what. What is the command line of the current process? Let's explore common options for the w command. The H option suppresses the header information that shows uptime and load averages. The S option uses a short format omitting the login time, joint central processing unit, and process central processing unit times. The F option toggles printing the from field that is remote host name. For instance, w-h omits the header, while w-s provides a shorter output, and w-f includes or excludes the from field. In summary, the who command shows basic information about logged-in users with key options like for all information, B for boot time, H for column headers, and Q for quick format. Common use cases include checking who is currently logged in, verifying system boot time, and identifying remote connections. On the other hand, the w command shows detailed information about users and their activities. It includes system load and uptime information with key options like H, which means no header, S short format, and F to toggle from field. Common use cases involve monitoring user activity, system performance assessment, and security monitoring. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.